Hello friends, so today I'm going to talk about Bonheur's Brazilian wax. New way of waxing without using any strips. This is a no strip wax. This is a peel off wax. In this container you get a hard cubes of heart shaped wax. I have the flavor green apple. This container which I'm holding in my hand is a 250 gram of a container, but you also get a bigger container of 800 grams too. Friends, you just need to melt the hard cubes to a creamy status using a spatula to stir and apply. Let me tell you friends, it is extremely creamy and it is very easy to apply. It is formulated with shea butter. Shea butter acts as a protection barrier that prevents skin irritation and peeling. Friends, this Bonheur's Brazilian wax has a very gentle formula and it has great flexibility for hair removal from your brows to your toes and everything in between. This Bonheur's Brazilian wax can be used on all the body parts. Even it is best suitable for covering the smaller areas like your face, beard, underarms, eyebrows, bikini area, even hands and legs. Product can be used by both men and women. I have shown you Bonheur's Brazilian wax in the flavor green apple, but you also have two more flavors in it, sweet lime and white chocolate. Friends, if you are also tired of shaving and have suffered a lot of pain while waxing, definitely try this new way of Brazilian wax without any pain from Bonheur.